Right, guys, so this is the FZR1000 engine that was completely seized up, and I mean completely seized up. I am on with that, but I've just had this arrive, and this is a gasket set for this. So what I'm going to do is, because I've no idea if this runs or not, so I'm just going to whip the head off and the barrel off, check the piston rings and stuff like that, obviously give the engine a wash down, quick blast it over, stuff like that, and I'll rebuild it with this gasket set. So that's for that. I'll be doing that soon, because this YBR125 is going to pay for my next project, but in the meantime I can be building this up. Now there are some issues with it, because it was completely seized up. You can see where, and I know I shouldn't have done this, but there, when the camera gets in focus, you can see where I've used a pry bar to pry it open, because honestly it was that badly seized up. So what I'm going to do first of all is wash this. I need to power wash it, get rid of all the soda blasting residue from it, and then what I'm going to do is take the damaged bits. Actually, if it's just the edge, I'm not going to bother, because but if the actual casings is damaged anywhere, then I'll take it up to my mates, get him to weld it, and I'll just file it down. So what I need to do is just double check that. So I've got all the bits for that to do. I'm going to paint it first, obviously, get it painted. I'll keep it in a silver or something, so it looks nice and spanking new. But I've got all the bits there. Look, there's a spare case in there. Come on. So there's all the YZ750 shit in there. Those are the barrels that were seized up, so I need to get them done. Obviously I need to take these studs out of there and put them in here, but I am on with it, so I will do it. But like I say, in the meantime, what I'm going to do is quickly whip this off, get that cleaned, and then what I can do then is get the frame cleaned up, and I can start rebuilding this. And then, like I say, that's going to pay for the project, my next Thunder Race project. This is the FZR1000 head that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to send that off to get soda blasted to the same place as I did this. Neil did a good job. He did a really good job, because these are difficult to sandblast, I must admit. And every engine that I've sent off to get sandblasted, everybody has always missed the little gaskets there. So I need to peel that off, and once the power wash is on it, it'll get rid of that, I think. But we can start giving it a go, can't we? We can start getting it back together and rebuilding, which is good. So anyway, first job, get it power washed. I'm sure I've got a power washer somewhere. So if not, I'll take it down to a car wash where they've got a power washer with hot soapy ones, and do it that way. But this is just to let you know that I am on with it, and it will be happening soon.